All right. So, don't move. Don't move.
Yeah.
I'm doing a video.
On this first one, our front porch on a ramp, and I turned out the bridge, and in between the bridge. The next back button is not there. I don't take about 4 hours to do, really.
Okay. All right. So, I don't know whether you know this or not. But before I tell you that, I have some questions.
Yeah.
I have lots of questions.
Yeah.
You ready to answer some questions?
Okay.
All right. So the first question is, you're pressure washing this. What kind of work did you do?
I was chief engineer for a hotel firm on St. College, Pennsylvania.
Okay, so chief engineer, the truck's behind us. Chief engineer for a hotel out of State College, Pennsylvania.
You know, truth is a maintenance manager.
Maintenance manager. And is it true that you used to work for a cable company and you'd climb ladders and do all that kind of stuff?
One thing I did.
That was...
I ran a bucket truck, and we went to land and did drop swings.
Okay.
Drop swings is a cable goes from the pole to your home.
Okay, so a drop swing is a cable that goes from your pole to your home, and you used to install those.
Yeah.
Mostly from a bucket truck, sometimes using ladders, right?
Yeah, but a ladder, personally, I did not like ladders. Ladders are a death trap. You get on a wire, and you lean on the wire, and your ladder might be a little bit on a slant like this. And by the time you cut the wire, it's sitting straight up in the air.
Okay. All right. And so you're obviously in a wheelchair.
Yeah.
And you're out here pressure washing your rent to your home.
Yeah.
And what I was going to say earlier is, I don't know whether you know this or not, but July is Disabilities Pride Month because the Americans with Disabilities Act was signed in July.
I heard that.
Okay, so I've been really proud of you, and you have a disability caused by a genetic disease called Ataxia. Spinocerebellar ataxia type 2.
Right.
Okay, that your mother and your grandfather had.
Yeah.
And your siblings have had.
Yeah.
And you still have a few siblings left that have it. Is that correct?
Just a couple.
Okay.
Well, I'll tell you, it's real depressing. And then depressing to hear about people with Ataxia. And you hear these people that have this problem. They can't breathe and they get on oxygen every night. I'm one of the blessed ones.
You're one of the blessed ones.
And I think one of the things is that I stay active. I try and do stuff all the time.
So when you try to do stuff all the time, who cuts your grass?
I do.
Who cuts your neighbor's grass?
I do.
Who cuts your other neighbor's grass?
I do.
Okay. So you try to do whatever you can do to help your neighbors.
Yeah. I don't want to get religious on you, Well, I'd like to tell you one thing. If you do right by your neighbor's going to do right by your other neighbor. And they're going to do right by the other neighbor. And what happens? And soon enough, you're that neighbor who needs your help. And it comes back to you.
Yeah. So, for an example, let's talk about that. This guy across the street is your friend, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's got Kessler.
And he's able-bodied to some degree now. He used to be really able-bodied, but now he's fighting some challenges like a cast on his foot. He just had surgery.
Right.
And he can't mow his own grass, right?
Yeah.
And
I don't mow it anyway.
you'd mow it anyway, whether he could do it or he couldn't do it. But
If you look over there, I didn't do everything I should. Everything I should. I just basically get my hair cut. And
Yeah.
that's it.
yeah, you ride the riding mower over there, but you can't do weed whacking anymore, right?
No.
And but you used to try to do weed whacking from either the your mobility scooter or the riding mower or something.
I used to.
You used to try it, right? And what would, since this is Disability Pride Month, right? I know there's a lot you can't do. You know, you have difficulty coordination.
Don't go by what I can't do. Go by what I can do. I still ride a bike. I do.
Okay,
I
so
three-wheeler bike.
so that's a three-wheel bike and you ride it. How many miles have you ridden it?
About 710.
710 miles. And how long have you had that bike?
3 or 4 months.
Yeah, about 4 months, I think is right. 3 or 4 months. I have to look it up. And you've ridden it 700 miles.
It's 700 miles. If you like, I can look at them and see how much I did.
I know it's over 700. That's close
You
enough.
know what I'm talking about. How much I get on the battery charge.
Oh, so on a battery charge, I know you. Okay, so it's an E-trike.
It's 800 miles now.
Okay, it's an E-trike, but you pedal it most of the way.
Yeah.
You have a battery for backup if you can't pedal it. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. And you know, one of the things, you told me that having a number one here, number one there, makes a difference. I tell you, I'm getting to the point. I'm trying to do way on number one all the time.
Okay.
I mean, 3 miles an hour.
Yeah,
Three and a half.
3.5 miles an hour on number one on the power assist and number one on the pedal, on the transmission, the bike transmission.
Yeah.
And you go 3.5. But you do 2 and 2 sometimes.
Yeah, that's better.
And that works sometimes too, after you get started. Number one to start, number 2 after you started getting the bike moving.
The thing about going number 2 is it speeds up. You gotta keep hold of the pedal and to get going not fast.
Yeah, okay. All right, and since you've been riding the bike, has it improved your ability to transfer between your wheelchair and chairs, or to take a few steps?
Well, I broke my foot.
Oh,
I broke my toe.
you broke your toe.
I got restless leg syndrome, and I kicked my wheelchair.
Okay, you kicked your wheelchair accidentally. So, but riding the bike has helped you have more strength and control over your legs. Is that correct?
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want people to know about people with abilities?
Push it to the limit.
Push it to the limit.
Don't let it slide by you. And as soon as you do, sliding will catch up to you and make it hard for you to do what you really want to do.
Okay. And would you say this is factual, that I just pulled up in the driveway and caught you doing this pressure washing? This was not planned. I didn't plan you being pressure washing out here. This is what kind of thing you normally do. Is that correct?
Yeah. I come and get him and Mama's nose. And
Okay.
the thing about it, if you take a look at his concrete, he used to have a lot of black spots. A lot of black spots all over the place. And don't have now.
All right. And I see a lot of dirt you're washing down the driveway.
Yeah.
Okay.
I came off this frame.
So, you're pressure washing this, you have ataxia, and you have a broken foot, and you're still doing as much as you can.
Yeah.
You're just amazing. This is why I'm proud of you. This is why I'm making this video, so others could know what the kind of person and character you have. You know, you don't let things limit you. You do what you can. And I don't want to tell everybody, but it's probably one of the hottest days of the year right now, and you're out here doing this.
July 18th.
Okay.
19.
July 19th, 2026, Augusta, Georgia. Heat index is over 100. And this is what he's doing.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Have a good day.